Hi, Jack. It's Mrs. Cerami. First and foremost, I know you have doctors in your family, so please know that my family and I are praying for all medical professional and just all the students in general and families in general for their safety and health. I'm going to go through this with you of what you did wrong and then the easier way of doing this. This is vertex form right here. Okay, so oops, this is vertex form. So you could find the vertex just by looking at your H and your K. So this is the easier way. The vertex is just going to be the opposite of the inside, -4, what makes x equal to 0, and 3. That's just your vertex there. And then your y-intercept is you substitute 0 in for x. So this is not standard form. So substitute 0 in for x. So for y-intercept, the easiest way of doing it is you're going to have -0 plus 4 squared plus 3. I hope this is clear. So you're going to have negative parentheses 4 squared plus 3, which does give you -13. Okay, so this part's right. It's just your vertex that was wrong. So if you want to do the vertex the way you did it and put in standard form, you have to FOIL that out. So it's not 16, and I'll write it out. This is the way you did it. So y is greater than or equal to negative the quantity of x plus 4, I'll just write it out, squared plus 3. FOIL this out. So this is going to be x squared plus 8x plus 16. When I say FOIL it out, you need to put it always, when you have a binomial squared, always put 2 parentheses next to each other. So then you're going to have negative x squared minus 8x, you're missing that term, minus 13. So that's why your vertex was wrong. So that's for that one. Let's check out the next one. So the next slide, let's see if you did the same thing. So the next slide, let's say, so you knew to multiply it. So you got negative x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 2. That's great. So what you really have here, you FOILed it right. But you have a negative not outside the 2, just outside here. So now you're going to have negative x squared, which is right. Now this should be a plus 4x, is the opposite. And this should be a minus 4. And then you have your minus 2 on the outside. So what you should have is negative x squared plus 4x minus 6. So your vertex is going to be negative b over 2a, -2, which is 2 for the x coordinate. And for the y-coordinate, it's a little messy here, sorry about that. The y-coordinate, you're going to put it back into the original. So you're going to have 2 minus 2 squared minus 2, which gives me a -2. So your vertex is going to be 2, -2. So if these directions are not clear, I can also give you another video, but you give me a video explaining what's wrong, I guess, or a message. I hope this clarifies it. Be well.